Okay there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got a blind here that has its little chain to activate it at this end, which is super hard to get to. So we're going to reverse it and have the chain at this end. I'm going to show you how to do that. Step one, we're going to get the blind down. So to get these down, we need to locate the end with this little wheel on it and hold the blind and turn it looking that way. You want to go anti-clockwise, so that way you just turn that wheel anti-clockwise and it will retract the pin in. Just keep turning and the blind comes out. So if you look here on the end, when we turn anti-clockwise, you see the pin going in, and that's how you get it out. Now we are actually going to reverse this blind. So we're going to switch the brackets from one to the other, and then we're going to re-roll the blind. We'll simply roll it fully off and then roll it fully on in the other direction, and that will reverse the blind. So super easy, 4 screws out, and we'll swap these around. So we've got, switch them around, just hold the screws in place. I'm going to knock them in with the drill, and that'll be done. Then we're going to reverse roll this, just fully roll it off and roll it back in the other direction. So now, you would have checked this before, but make sure that this is reversible. You see your blind end here, and that it's the same colour on both sides, and if it is, then you can simply unroll, make sure your chain behaves itself, fully unroll the blind. Chain's not behaving itself. When you get to the end, you just keep on rolling. Then you roll it up. Okay, so once you've done that and rolled it back on, you can see here where the top of the blind is, where that is. So that's got to become the top over here. This, if you wanted to simply change, this blind is rolling over, which we want because of the handles down here. We don't want it hitting and hooking on those. This is what we've just done. Without, if you didn't move the brackets, this would change this from an over to an under. So it would come down the back instead of over the top, just by re-rolling it like we've done. But because we've switched the brackets, it's going to stay over the top, and the chain is going to now be at the other end. So you align the chain end first, align your slot, and then you see there's a little slot in the bottom of that, and you simply slide that up into that slot. Just press the whole blind straight up. Perfect. Okay. Now we've just got a catch to move. Attaching this over here, and we are done. The blind is now being driven from the other side. Well done.